Hungry plants don't always look hungry unless if they're carnivorous. Pitches, traps, and sticky leaves means that they get their nutrients from insects and not the soil. But if their roots can't take up water properly, even the hungriest plants can struggle to grow. Roots climbing out of the pot, growth slowing down, that's often a sign that their home isn't right. Unlike most plants, carnivorous species rely on their modified leaves for nutrition, while roots focus on hydration. A soil mix that mimics their natural boggy habitat makes all the difference. Sustainably sourced ingredients retain moisture, while added perlite ensures drainage and acidity for healthy roots and optimal leaf function. Used with a good quality plastic pot to prevent leaching, and watered from the top after repotting to settle the soil and remove air pockets. This combination is the secret to keeping carnivorous plants happy and hungry. Give your carnivorous plants the ideal environment for growth with Bark Unlimited's Carnivorous Plant Mix.